In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay on Amazon Australia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option of using Afterpay to buy now and pay later on Amazon if you are in Australia. So the main way to use Afterpay for any website or any service is always through the app. So you should always open the app and search through the application or even the website to see if a specific store is available in your region. Amazon is periodically available only through the app. So in this example here, you can see it on the home screen and there is a warning in-app only. However, there is no guarantee that it will be available for your particular region. So in this video, I'm going to give you the general instructions. So you just follow along and you check to see if Amazon is indeed available for you. If it isn't, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. The only option to use Afterpay within Amazon is to find it within the application or the website and select it directly. When you choose it through the website, you will be redirected to the Amazon website, where now you can add items to your Amazon cart. Upon doing this, it's as simple as reaching checkout and using the Buy Now Pay Later option at the bottom. A card will be generated and it will be used for this particular purchase. So proceed to checkout until you can tap this button at the bottom and you can then input the exact amount that you will be using for this purchase. As I've said before, if you don't see Amazon presented in the home screen, it means that it is not available in your region. There is no guarantee that a specific service, a specific website will be available across all regions, and this seems to be the case for Amazon. So check to see if it is currently available in Australia. If it is, make sure that you share in the comment below for others to know, and if it isn't, you can do the same. If you don't find Amazon within the mobile app, then sadly you will not be able to use Afterpay. But if you do, it's as simple as selecting it and proceeding to checkout. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on Amazon Australia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.